Hello everyone. So now let's go ahead and check the other cool feature that has been added into Link Wizard version 2. We come to the create drop down, we click on it and click on the opt-in link. Once we click on the opt-in link, it would ask you to enter header text of opting form. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and put test out here, and then I just want the full name and the phone number to be mandatory. I'm just going to go ahead and put that. You also have an option out here to enter button text. You can either write done or submit or anything of your choice. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and you can set button color. You can change that in case you do not want that color. You want to add some other color, you can go ahead with that. You want to change the text color, you can change that. You want to change the background color, you can go ahead and change the background color. Now you would need to go ahead and add an image for the background out here. So something that's more prominent, visible, or something that you want as your logo. If it's big enough, you can go ahead and put your logo as well. So for the time being, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put a random image for you to understand how it works. And the background would come like this. Then I'm going to go ahead and enter the actual URL. Now, once I enter the actual URL, right below that, it would say, it is mentioned out here, you can add a dynamic value in your link by inserting auto ID. So I come right at the end of it, I type in, and then I go ahead and I would put some value equals to auto ID and I will go ahead and create opt-in link. Now that my link has been created, I need to go back to the dashboard, and I would need to, right now, if I show you before I could even copy, everything is 0. Today's click is 0, total number of click is 0, and out here there is nothing, everything shows 0. I have clicked on this link. I would go ahead and open a browser and paste the URL out here. Once I do that, I would need to, since I had only mentioned that I need full name and phone number, it would just ask me for that. So I would write Chris Evers out here and I'll give my phone number. Once I do that, I just submit the information. So it's going to go ahead and redirect me to that particular link that was created. Now you remember we spoke about auto ID. Now you see the auto ID has been generated out here. We did mention and then some value equals to, this is the unique auto ID that has been generated. And also remember, the name has come up here along with the phone number. So this will help you to track every unique click. Now, for example, I just go ahead and I open another browser, paste the link out there. My auto ID would change at this point of time. Once I click out here, I'm going to, let's say I'm just going to go by any name. Russell, I'm going to put number as, and submit. Once I do that, it will redirect me to the same link that was there. However, you can track, this is a unique click, because you see, once we had changed the auto ID, we had mentioned the auto ID out there. Now the name has changed. The person who has put the name as Russell, his name has come up and his phone number. So this is how opt-in link works. Now I would show you how many clicks did we get? We need to just go ahead and refresh the page. And it says today there was 2 clicks. The total number of clicks is 2. It would give you the status from where the clicks came in. It was India. The browser use was Chrome. It's dark traffic that I explained earlier, and the operating system that was used. Now it shows redirect to. Now once we come down out here, you click on the redirected logs. It will show you from where the people access, from where the customers, the client, they had accessed this. If you click on block logs, if you have any country blocked, it would give you information out here. Since we did not block, there is no information available out here. We would explain to you about the conversion status in the later video. When we come to opt-in data, it would give you the name of the person who tried logging into that particular link, tried clicking on those links, filling up their information. So here is the name of those leads, those customers. It would give you the time, it would give you the day and the date, the phone numbers, email ID. Since it was not mandatory, the email ID did not get captured. So this is all about opt-in link and how opt-in link works. I will explain to you about the other features in later videos.